Hey guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एक नए परफ्यूम का रिव्यू लेकर आई हूँ and this one is from Al Ghazal and we'll be talking about a new route for femme। So like I said, I have purchased a lot of Al Ghazal fragrances and I'm going to review them one by one on my channel। So let's begin। Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram। And now let's get started। अलगजल के जो फ्रेग्रेंसेस हैं वो uvora.com पे मिल जाते हैं एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्रेग्रेंस इज 100 ml बॉटल एंड यू गेट दिस फॉर 1499। यू कैन सी एंड चेक आउट द यूवोरा वेबसाइट, उस पर कभी कभी डिस्काउंट भी ऑफर्स भी अवेलेबल रहते हैं, सो यू मे एक्चुअली गेट दिस एट अ लोअर प्राइस देन 1499 rupees। Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this very beautiful kind of like a peach box in which details are written in blue and some star pattern is and some texture is made over it। पीछे की तरफ brand details by Tresco and all the pricing details and ingredients and all of this is mentioned right here। And then this is how the bottle looks like। I really like the way how sleek this bottle is। It's travel friendly, very simple yet very elegant and to the point and kind of matches the outer packaging, so I like that the packaging is very cohesive। and इसमें ये blue color का यहाँ पे एक kind of like it's not a sticker, इसी के ऊपर ये कांच के ऊपर ही ये डिज़ाइन बना हुआ है एंड यहाँ पे फ्रेग्रेंस की डिटेल्स हैं एंड ये एक एक्रेलिक कैप है, उसके अंदर भी उन्होंने ब्लू कलर काफ़ी लाइक एक रिचनेस एंड एक कोहेसिवनेस प्रोवाइड करी है। सो ओवरऑल दिस इज हाउ द पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक एंड ग्लास पैनल में नीचे की तरफ एक बहुत अच्छा टेक्सचर बना हुआ है। I'm going to show you how the sprayer is। It just sprays so well and बहुत अच्छे से diffused product निकालता है। Now I have made a lot of notes। I just wanted to show you my journal, like I'm preparing these kind of notes for every perfume that I'm bringing here ताकि मैं अपने thoughts बिल्कुल consolidated करके रखूँ। तो सबसे पहले इसके notes के बारे में बात करते हैं। This is a tuberose dominating perfume। एक जिसको बोलते हैं ना bubblegummy tuberose, the same or the similar kind of like DNA of Giorgio Armani My Way। So this has a similar bubblegum tuberose feel to it। Now this opens up with some white florals dominating with tuberose and jasmine। Jasmine again plays in the background। The tuberose, the sweet tuberose is the one that you get prominently in this perfume। इसमें थोड़ी सी एक फ्रेशनेस भी है which I am assuming is coming from bergamot and उसके बाद एक थोड़ा सा हल्का एनिमलिक फील है जिसकी वजह से ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्ग बन जाता है एंड थोड़ा सा इसमें एक मेच्योरिटी सी आती है। मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि इसमें एक वाइट मस्क का एलिमेंट भी है क्योंकि एक स्लाइट हिंट ऑफ पाउडरीनेस इसमें आती है एंड देन यू हैव सम वेनिला एंड मे बी सम एम्बर एंड वुडीनेस। द वेनिला इन दिस गिव्स दैट स्वीटनेस which mixed with tuberose gives you that bubblegum wala effect। So this one has a very nice sweet bubblegum tuberose feel to it। Now what I particularly feel about this fragrance is this one is a very fresh, a very floral, feels like a floral garden with all of its elements like thoda sa earthiness, thoda sa woodiness, थोड़ा सा एक्वेटिक फील, वो जो ओस की बूंदें हैं या जो पानी गिरता है फ्लावर्स के ऊपर, फिर उसका जो स्टेम्स है, उसका जो सैप है, जो फ्लावर का खुद का स्वीटनेस है, जो फ्रेशनेस है, इट फील्स लाइक अ वेरी फ्रेश स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे। इट फील्स वेरी रिलैक्सिंग। It just has a very fresh aura to it, like this feels like a new beginning। It feels like a new day and a new journey। ये थोड़ा उस टाइप का फीलिंग देता है, थोड़ा सा नॉस्टैल्जिया भी हिट करता है एंड इसीलिए इन सारी रीजंस की वजह से मुझे ऐसा लगा कि दिस वन इज़ अ परफेक्ट ब्राइडल वेयर फ्रेग्रेंस। इसमें जो वो स्वीट बबलगम ट्यूबरोज वाला फील है ना, I think it just has a special feel to it which kind of makes it very Indian and bridal appropriate। मुझे लगता है ये वेडिंग सीजन्स में बहुत अच्छा काम करेगा, ये इंडियन फेस्टिविटीज़ में बहुत अच्छा काम करेगा एंड ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा बहुत एक स्पेशल ओकेजन काइंड ऑफ अ परफ्यूम की तरह जाता है because it just has that fresh beginning, new journey wala feel to it। According to me, this one is like a simple fragrance, can be used every day as well as occasional। This has a very designer feel to it because like I said, this one feels like a dupe to Giorgio My Way, Armani My Way, so this does have like a designer feel to it। It's kind of fun, happy, joyful, start of the day, nostalgic, a little candy, bubblegummy like feel to it। It has a purity feel to it, like it reminds me of color white for some reason। तो इसमें एक एक जिसको बोलते हैं ना, एक काम एंड कंपोज्ड, एक शांति वाला फील है, एक प्योरिटी वाला फील है, और बहुत ही एक फ्रेशनेस एज वेल एज स्वीटनेस वाला है. तो एक काफ़ी फेमिनाइन, आई से दैट दिस इज़ लाइक अ उबर फेमिनाइन फ्रेग्रेंस, and this is something that, you know, women of 20 plus age can rock this fragrance. Absolutely beautiful, all season appropriate, but I will say that during daytime and evenings is the best time to wear it. Maybe during night time this is not like a perfect scent to wear because it just has a lot of freshness to it. Let's talk about the performance on this one. I get easy 7 to 8 hours with around 7 to 8 sprays. The projection is good, like the first 1 hour it projects really well, and then it kind of like you know, you'll get the wisp in 2 hours or 2.5 hours and so on and so forth. It creates a good scent bubble around me, and this is a compliment getter. Like, people tend to love this kind of a fragrance, and people ask me what I'm wearing. So this is a people pleaser. This is the kind of fragrance which is safe blind buy only if you are into tuberose or white florals. Apart from that, because it has a hint of freshness to it, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें थोड़ी सी एक cooling effect है. So this does not feel like a warm hug. This does not feel like a winter appropriate perfume, but this one has like a coolness to it. It has like a good summer vibe to it. It has like a very chilled out, calm vibe. So this is what this perfume leans towards. For the price that I have paid for this one and for the quality of the perfume oil in this, my rating for this one is 10 out of 10. I think this is a perfect white floral fragrance. If you are on a hunt of a white floral and a tuberose dominating perfume, I think your search should end on this one, because this is just an epitome of classiness, and I absolutely love this fragrance. So now that I see the name for this one, it's New Route. I can't believe that I actually, you know, deduced to that like new journey, start of a new thing, and this just says New Route. So yeah, this fragrance is kind of signifies new beginnings. So a very positive fragrance, a very encouraging kind of a fragrance is what I'll say. I think these kind of fragrances are perfect gifting options for women, because the name New Route and the name and the feel of this fragrance is very motivating. It's very positive. So a very good gifting option for women, and I think overall this just has a lot of classiness and a lot of wow factor to it. So yeah, that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.